Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Untouchable Facts. Today we are here with all the facts you need. These videos are captured by camera. Please enjoy. And don't also forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Look at what happened to this people. They have been covered by snow. This is why I don't like mountains. Here you go. Fast and Ferris video show. Today, Untouchable Facts are giving you the world champions between car and bull. This is how powerful C can be. A door kicked his owner. This sounds crazy. This wind is taking them away. Meet the guy who wants to die early. How did she manage to walk on that? Welcome to Volvo Machines.
Drifting container is always a great danger.
Welcome to Fast and Ferris Part 2. This is why overloading is not good. These people are really flash because they are trying to run more than water. Welcome to Earthquake Champions Runners. What just happened? I'm confused about it. you ever witnessed heavy storm? Here I give you one. It looks like an accident happened, but the driver is still moving the car in high speed as if nothing happens. Welcome to another fight between bulls and trucks, but I think the truck took the championship. Fast and Furious Part 3. Enjoy more. This driver is ready to die because this is a bad habit. When a poor constructor constructs a bad road, this is how it will end. Welcome to the death row. When a driver tries to play police. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to Untouchable Facts.